Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the new AirPods second generation with the USB-C. If you like the content of the channel, please subscribe, it's free. Hit the like button and share. Alright, let's go. Big scissor this time. Quick up to open this package. Oh yeah, that's it. The new AirPods second generation with the USB-C. Let's check out something with the UV light. Let's verify the box. Okay. Well, in this case, the box of the AirPods Pro second generation doesn't have the security feature that we saw on the iPhone 15 Pro Max box. So, alright. Security features that we can check. Yeah, there's nothing here. All right, let's go. Let's open. That's easy to remove this and the second one. Okay, cool. That's it. And open like this. Well. Typical manual. Some quick instructions. See it. How to open. And how to use the AirPods. Right, cool. Very nice. What else? Security information. Over here, nothing else. Okay. And that's it. The AirPods case. Let's open here. That's easy to remove this seal here. The plastic seal comes out. That's it. Well, the case is smaller than I thought. So yeah. Okay. Wow. That is. Let me just a little bit. It's because I think that is the polish of the surface that is a little bit difficult to pick up. Wow. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, okay. Now this is the one and this is the other. Yeah, it's the case is like the AirPods. I don't know if you can see it, but the surface, the material, the touch is like I don't know, very bright and looks like when you touch something made of ceramic or something, that the surface is polished and bright, you know. But yeah, finally are out of the case. Well, interesting. What is that? I think that is to put something to hang up the case to avoid to lose it, and that's it. The USB-C connector to charge the case and the AirPods. What else? I saw something here. Okay. Oh, cool. The charger. Well, the cable actually. Yep. Standard USB-C to USB-C. All right. No more USB-A to USB-C. There is something here. Okay. We have more things here inside this small box. Let's see it. How can we open this? Okay, it's like this. All right. Cool, pretty easy. Spare parts for this. So yes, we have more silicone tips here. You can choose easy, the one that fits into your ear. Well, I will try later this one that comes. If not, of course, I'm going to check out the others. All right, cool. This over here. So the thing is that we need to configure this thing using the iPhone. So let me put this back. Well, it's funny because actually I have the AirPods second generation, the regular version. Let's see the difference. First, are easier to pick out of the case. It's very easy. Even that the surface, I think that, well, looks the same. I mean, yes. The touch, well, for me, is the same. Okay, but in my case, I found out more easier to remove it from the case than this one. But actually, well, let's compare the size. Okay, it's bigger, but at the first time, this looked smaller than I was thinking on the first time, but it's bigger than the AirPods case, of course. Yeah. Okay, so the thing is, we can put this back. Okay. Pretty easy. Okay, and put it back. All right, cool, perfect. So let's use the iPhone to set up the AirPods Pro second generation. First, let's see, with the mobile phone here. Well, okay, those are the AirPods 2. Cool. And what happened when we open the case? Oh, AirPods Pro. Right. Okay, connect. Connecting. Let's wait. This is like a tutorial or something. Yes, it's a tutorial actually. The instruction. Oh, you can adjust the volume here. Okay. Noise reduction. Just push over here to activate the noise reduction. Actually, in the control center of the iPhone. Well, this is the normal thing. You can use the volume. What is that? Calls and notification. No, later. I will configure this later. This is about Siri that says that he says a notification about the incoming call, but now later. Oh, it's spatial audio. Use the iPhone to scan the geometry. But I need to put that AirPods on my ears. Not now. Okay, adaptive audio. It's a way to adapt to the surrounding. Customize volume. This is when the people talk around you, and this is the detection to lower the volume. Okay, the setup already finished. AirPods Pro second generation comes with more than 50% of battery. Let's see what else we can do under the settings using the iPhone. AirPods second generation. Let me open again. connected. Settings. Well, rename it. Audio control, adaptive, noise cancellation. Alright, to the left, this is the noise cancellation system. To the right, the noise cancellation system. But we can change that, including adaptive sound. Oh, we can use Siri to control the audio. Answer the call. Okay. One touch to answer the call. What else? No. Okay, I cannot change anything. Activate or deactivate the sound once, one touch or twice. Okay, let's go back. Well, I think that I can close this. Audio, customize volume. Wow, very interesting. Test the silicone tips. How is that? You can check the silicone tips, the audio quality, noise cancellation, continue. Okay, but I need to put that on my ears. Well, let me try, but well, the thing is that, of course, you're not going to hear anything, but let me just check this out to see what it's about. Let's see. Is it the right? I think that is like this. Yep, it's like this. Okay. Not now. Not now. Just play. Okay, do not remove the AirPods. Interesting. You know, when I press the play button, I start hearing some music. But hey, interesting. The system says no, you need to make some adjustment on both ears or change the silicone tip. Well, I'm going to try again. Let me make some adjustment here. Actually, I feel this silicone tips comfortable. Let me try again. Okay, the music is sound right now. Hey, cool, perfect, we did it. Okay, well, in my case, I don't think that I need to change the silicone tips. Actually, I'm using right now the AirPods. Yes, it's a pity that you can't hear the sound, but well, let's click OK because for me are okay. The adjustments are just fine. Let me try to put some music. Let's see. Just one sec. Let me make some adjustment here. AirPods. Let's try this. Yeah, it's complicated. Yeah, because I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, the volume is on maximum. Let me put that on my ears 1 second. Wow, the sound is pretty cool. It's pretty cool, yes. Yeah, very nice. Sounds great. And yep, I think that is everything so far. Because, as I said before, it's a pity that you cannot hear and appreciate the sound in this scenario, because are some things that you need to wear to just to enjoy all the features, like the new H2 chip and the noise cancellation and the volume control and the quality of the sound. Yeah, you know that kind of thing that this product offer. So, but I can tell you, sounds very good, better than this. Actually, those are good, not bad, pretty cool. The music sounds great, pretty nice. When you receive or make a call, works pretty nice. But yeah, actually, so far, on this small test, I think that sound better. Yes, this is the first time that I use this AirPods Pro. Well, but took me just few seconds to notice the different, um, you know, about the quality of the sound, how it works. The only thing, well, this is for me, is to I I don't, yeah, still a little bit difficult to pick out the AirPods out of the case. Okay. I mean, this version is pretty easy, pretty fast. Yeah. Well, this, I think this is just matter to get used to, you know, to remove it from the case and put it back again. So that's it, guys. It's a pity that you cannot appreciate the full sound. Well, I think that's it. This was the unboxing of the new AirPods Pro second generation with the USB-C charger case. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, as I said before, it's free. Hit the like button, share, and see you on the next video.
Say when everything gets in the